Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss diffusion. So diffusion is a naturally process occurring in substances. It is a characteristic property of matter also. So diffusion is the mixing of particles. Any type of matter can be diffused. Either it is solid, either it is liquid or a gas. So diffusion is seen in solids, liquids, and gas. And diffusion is mixing of particles. As we have discussed, these particles possess kinetic energy, and due to continuous movement of particles, particles always remain in motion and they get mixed with each other. So, which factor is responsible for diffusion? The continuous movement of particles. With this property, particles or any substance can get diffuse. Diffusion is a natural and a physical process. Diffusion can be seen in solids, can be seen in liquids, and can be seen in gases. So first is diffusion in gases. In gases, diffusion is very fast process. Mixing of gases takes place with a high speed, very fast process. Why? Because gas particles possess a highest kinetic energy. Due to highest kinetic energy, of gas particles, they collide with each other and always remain in motion, and by this they will get diffuse. They will get diffuse. As we can say, air is a mixture of gases. Example, air is a mixture of gases. Various gases are diffused with each other and present in our atmosphere, right? Second example, if anyone uses perfume, we can smell the fragrance and identify. So gas particles, they diffuse in atmosphere and reach up to us, and we are able to recognize the smell or fragrance, right? So recognition of fragrance or smell. So the gas particles comes in air and reach up to us, and we are able to recognize fragrance or smell. So diffusion in gases is a quick process due to highest kinetic energy present in gases. Second is diffusion in liquids. Now liquid possess less kinetic energy as compared to gas. So diffusion will take place with a slow rate as compared to gas. In gases, highest rate of diffusion. In liquid, moderate rate of diffusion. So diffusion takes place with a moderate rate. Reason, due to less kinetic energy. Then due to less kinetic energy than gas particles, vapor particles, diffusion will be possible, but with a moderate rate as compared to gas. Example, solution of salt and water are mixed, then complete solution will turn salty. If we mix a solution of salt is dissolved in a solution in water, and we mix it with the water and we kept it for a few minutes, then after we will observe all the solution will become salty. Means both liquids get mixed with each other, they collide with each other, as a result a uniform mixture is formed, a uniform solution is formed, resulting into the salt taste. Right. Last, diffusion in solids. Now we have discussed before, solids possess least kinetic energy, in gas highest kinetic energy, in liquids less than gas, and in solids least kinetic energy is present due to systematic or close packing of particles in a solid. So diffusion will take place with a very slow rate due to in solids diffusion takes place with a slow rate due to least kinetic energy. Particles are unable to move quickly, they are closely packed, maximum force of attraction is there, and a minimum distance between particle is there in solids. Right. So solids diffuse with a very slow rate. For example, we dissolve for example, we have dissolved potassium permanganate in water. So overall the solution will turn purple. These crystals will dissolve in water, resulting into a formation of a uniform mixture, a uniform solution that will appear purple. So we will get purple color. Another examples can be, we dissolve sugar in water, we dissolve salt in water. Salt and sugar both are solid. Another example can be alloys. Alloy is a mixture of metal with metal or with non-metal. So mixture of metal with metal or metal with non-metal, that is called alloys. So alloy is another example of diffusion is observed in solids. So that is the property diffusion, natural process, physical process, and characteristics property of matter as well as particles. Particles intermix with each other due to their kinetic energy, they always remain in motion. So that's it for diffusion process. I hope you would understand.